Leyanto yabaqashi ukuthi basisebenzise ngaphansi kwezimo ezingagwinyisa imali, ngaphansi kwezimo ezisenza ukuthi sithole sisesimene esimanzonzo, basigqilaze bese besinikeza imali esiyibona ngathi iyashoda. Leyanto abangayiyeki leyanto, ngoba leyanto abantu abahlakaniphile iyabasiza ukuthi bakwazi ukucabanga outside the box, ukuthi bangasebenzeli imali kodwa benze imali ukuthi isebenzele bona, ngoba bayabona ukuthi this is not the way. Yeah, iba yi-fuel for that. But-ke unfortunately kwabanye bavele bebone sengathi ukunyuka komholo ikona kuzokwenza i-situation ukuthi ibe ngcono, noku-applyela ama-promotion babona ngathi kuzoyilapha yonke lento, kuzo-neutralize isimo. Cha, ufakazi wena phela. Umholo have been increasing, isimo asishintshi. Ama-promotion a-applyeliwe kodwa still kuyafana. Why? Parkinson's law ila kunyuka imali nayo nyusa ama-desires ngala into efanayo, kumele ukuthi azayi-create an artificial scarcity. But-ke lethi ngikuchazele ngalesi sikhathi ubingelele lo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina umuntu would have used lawo ma situation lawo ukuthi athole indlela zokuthi imali imsebenzele okunokuthi yena asebenzele imali impilo yakhe yonke, ngoba ayikho leyanto. Imali akikho, ayona into tangible. Imali ngeke uzukwazi ukuyifica, and the people are motivated by two things, fear and greed. You have fear uyavuka emsebenzini because une fear yokuthini, ayona fear yokungabi namali, angithi, not being able to pay for your bills, yabo. And then uyahamba emsebenzini uyahola, thole lo mali, usune greed ke manje. Ama desires ayanyuka ama desires. Now you have more desires now. Ama desires azothatha yona le mali, angithi. That is the Parkinson's law. That is the Parkinson's law, because people have seen ukuthi they are chasing utalako ngemizimba yabo ke nokho. Shothi you have to be able to flip the script. Yabona, uma ngabe ukuthi ufocus endaweni wrong, nama opportunities mayeseza kuwena ngeke uzwabona awakho ke manje, ngeke uzwabona ngoba ufocus endaweni wrong. Mase ngubize nje mithi wenterero ngeke uzuphenduke, ngoba unterero wawumaza kuwena futhi I relate kuwena leyo nto, ngeke uphenduke until ngize ngibiza igama lakho. So now lento ikutshela ukuthi ngoba amehla akho awavulekele kuleyo ukuthi wena ubheka ama opportunities azokwenza ukuthi imali isebenzele wena, awuwabhekile, awukho ngakulapha, awudlaleli kulowo group. So ngeke uzwaboneka ama opportunities noma esefika ukuthi ukwazi wa execute, ngobani unalento ukuthi ufuna uba comfortable, ngobani umsebenzi uprovide lento yi comfort kuwena, ngiyabo, provide comfort, you are comfortable, negotiating ama wage increments. But you don't, it's never enough every time. Akwanele asifundiswanga into esisile kahle kahle when it comes to money. Asifundiswanga into esisile eyiqiniso futhi when it comes to money. Abafowethu namhlanje benza ubulima ophelele, babulala abantu egameni lemali. Abafowethu namhlanje babamba inkunzi. Abafowethu namhlanje benza yonke imisangano yokungcola kwi-humanity egameni lemali, kodwa lento abayijahayo abayithuli. Mekhona la ukwenza lokho angangitshela useyitholile lento ayifuna, angayithuli. Use-empty, usene-void, ngabe usekiyekile phela ukubulala abantu. Akayitholi lento ayifunayo, ayikho, uhubhuta lakho ngeke uzuyithola. Yabona umuntu owengenamali wene fear ukuthi uzoluza lokho okuncane nakho yabo njobe esebenza vele kodwa wathi mase banemali eningi wacabanga ukuthi lo fear izophela lo fear ya intensify ya magnify yankulu. The more you have money, the more you have fear of losing it. That is why abantu abanemali eningi ababe motivated fear and greed ukuthi bebe nayo. Those people, they can literally take your life for nothing. Ngenxa yemali. They don't even care because yonke into bayibona ithreatnisha lo mnotho wabo lo. Lo mnotho wabo ubiyelwe ngodaka, wakhiwe ngendlu yamakhalibhuthi makufika imvula nje uyabhidlika. That is why balukhasha nje into ebayibona ngathi izo ethreatnisha umnotho wabo. Balukhasha. Bulala kwasana. But motivated by fear and greed. I think you should be the one working on purpose rather than ukusebenzela ekuthenini usebenzele umzimba wakho lokuthi usebenze imali. I-illusion leyanto ngeke izibe enough ukuxoxele mina. Work on purpose. Yes, you are motivated by purpose. Money is just a tool to use when ukufeel up low purpose level. That's it. That is about money. It's an illusion ukuthi it's a thing. It's not a thing itself. It's not a thing. Ayesithi usunayo ke nansi unayo imfaxa kodwa awunayo into ozoyenza ngayo. Kwenzakalani? Purposeless. Uzizwa empty with a chunk of money but you are empty. Create the purpose, work on purpose. Yabo? Lama desires awapheli. Don't be ruled by them. Don't think by emotion. Don't think by emotion. Use your emotions to think. Because now you think by getting it more and more of it, more and more of imali, you are going to get rid of those. You are going to satisfy and buy things that will make you to be satisfied. That's not the case. That's not the case. That is why babona bathenga ngisho imsangano nje banemali eningi. Bathenga ngisho imsangano nje. Thengi lokungane yazi into abayenziwa abantu abanemali bonke umsangano ngempela ke lo. Hayi ngiyamjaja vele uthi ngiyamjaja vele umsangano into ayenza ngobani akanayo ipurpose usangene akanayo ipurpose yabo unemali kodwa ipurpose ayikho yabo work on purpose bro work on purpose ungabe isigqila semali wafundisa into wrong esikoleni ukuthi hamba thola umsebenzi ozokwenza ube comfortable bese usebenzela imali wafundisa into wrong. Iskill yes sasifuneka lapha esikoleni la wasithola khona iskill kodwa ukuthi wena ube comfortable bese uthi imali uzoyisebenzela ngoba imali izokwenza ube comfortable ufeze idingo akwenzeki it just matches. You just find yourself in a what hedonic treadmill adaptation. Uyakujwayela ukuba nalolo hlobo lwemali qala ezinye indleko ezintsha sukujwayela ngithi phinde inganeli futhi kube yiyo lo ndaba for how long ke hlakanipha ke zakhele lento ekuthiwa i-artificial scarcity ngoba ingqondo yakho iya adapter within 6 months iya adapter kwi situation 6 months to a year wathola i-wage increment or salary increment iya adapter kulonto leyo igcinisa normal and then the chase is on zakhele ilokhu unganaka i-artificial scarcity lo manje nje ayingazifika i-account ayiveli isuke nje ishonele yabo ayiveli isuke nje ishonele iyokwakha into esile lapha ya work on purpose hayi khuleka idingo ngeze ziphela yabo umuntu qeda kwakha lo muzi loyo khuleka uzobona ukuthi udingani lapho udinga ukwenzani yazi lento ekuthiwa i-Diderot effect once wathenga i-shirt uyabona ukuthi leli shirt man ngizoligqoka nani uthi ngithenge ibhlukwe noma isketi soba right lesi mawuqeda ukuthenga leso sketi you realize ukuthi lezi icathulo zindala nalezi ingubo. That is a Diderot effect ezochawa yona le mali azipheli lezo dingo lezo hlakanipha ke wena wa renovate wapenda endlini bese pendile wabona ukuthi hayi man le coffee table iyabheda man sekukuhle la endlini asithole enye coffee table. That's the thing that is happening ujahuta lakho